Pescetto, what's
What's up, bro? Just had a sick surf session, man. Got some crazy clips and bro, I'm gonna be filming every day this week. The edit is gonna be insane. Let me tell you that, dude.
Wait, you're shooting all week this week? Man, you realize submission is tomorrow, right?
No,
You have to have everything submitted by tomorrow. That's
oh,
why
yeah.
I wanted to get
Tomorrow's
in touch.
the day. No worries, man. I got my project ready. Actually, just gotta fix a couple of things real quick.
Everyone's delivering stuff and there's nothing from you right now.
It's ready to export.
Okay, alright, I'm just gonna trust you, I guess. But tomorrow's the deadline, dude.
Yeah, perfect.
All right.
Talk to you soon, dude.
Bye.
Yo, what's up, dude? So, are you still free tomorrow? Thinking of going surfing, mountain biking, rock climbing, and then work on his video in the afternoon. What do you think? You wanna join? Yeah, I'm free, man. When do we start?
At sunrise.
Yo, Pescetto, how is that edit coming along? I need updates, dude.
Yeah, dude, I'm just working on the intro right now. Yeah, like a couple of things and it's done. Easy.
Man, I haven't heard anything from you, dude. I'm getting worried now. Come on, I need an update. What's going on?
Yeah, dude, all good. I'm actually just about to do color correction. Just about to do color correction. Yeah, right. Here we go, dude. Just about to export. That's it, man. It's uploading to Dropbox right now. Told you we'll make it. You're gonna be proud of me, man. Dude!
Alright, we got it. He's not winning Creative Summit this year.
Yeah, dude, we transferred to 90%. We got it, dude. Surf session, man. And let me tell you. Okay.